Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be taking a look at this LED video lighting accessory. So this is something you can add to your camera. So if you have a DSLR or if you're using your smartphone, this is a great addition to have, especially for when you're in those tight spots and you're trying to get good footage, but you simply don't have enough sunlight or room light. So here's a good example. I'm trying to take some video footage of the back of my television, which is in a cramped up space. Now I don't really get enough sunlight in this bedroom, so here's a before shot without the light, and here's a shot after with the LED light. And as you can see, there's so much less noise with the LED light on. So another good example for when to use this LED light is at night when you're trying to take that video footage of either yourself or something, and you simply don't have enough light. So this would come in handy if you often find yourself in that situation as well. So now let me give you a quick rundown of this LED light. So you have a total of 112 LED lights, and on the other side you have the battery compartment, which takes a total of 4 AA batteries. Now a good idea for this would be to have 4 rechargeable AA batteries, but since I don't have that on hand, I'm using regular AA batteries. Now on the bottom we have a micro USB charging port, so if you did happen to use rechargeable batteries in the device, you could charge them up by simply plugging in a micro USB cable. Now on the left side, depending on if you're looking at the device from the battery compartment side, you have a dimmable switch, which essentially dims and brightens the LEDs. And let me just show you how dim and bright this device gets. Now at the top you have the on-off switch, which toggles the device on and off, and the LED light also comes with 2 removable plates. So one of them is the regular see-through plate, the other one is a yellow plate if you wanted to get warmer footage. I don't see myself using this, so I just keep it on the back. Also, these plates have these magnetic backings on them, so you can add and remove them quite easily. One more thing you also have on this LED light body is you have a camera mount, and you also have a tripod mount, so you can essentially attach this to a tripod if you wanted to. Having the batteries in the LED light does weigh it down quite a bit, so be prepared to have a heavy camera if you did choose to add this to your camera. And for the most part, this does feel pretty cheap, but for 12 bucks, I'm not going to complain. Now, I do believe everybody should have one of these, whether you are a photographer or not. It's always good to have some extra backup lighting just in case for those emergency situations. And I'll drop some links in the description below if you were interested in checking that out for yourself. So anyway, that's going to be it for my review on the generic LED video lighting add-on accessory. If you guys did find this review helpful, please do leave a like. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.